Welcome back to another edition of FTx Facts. Today we're going to look at tags. What are they? How do I set them up? And why would I use them? We'll pop into Control Center, and the default place for tags is going to be under Product Details. So once you've drilled into a product, you have a listing of all the current tags assigned to the item here, as well as the ability to add or edit the tags assigned to it. To add a tag, I simply type in the name of the tag. As you can see, a little drop-down list with the new word appears. I can click New. Now that tag's been added. To choose from an existing list of tags, I click Start Typing in the name of the tag, and it's going to filter down to a list of available tags. From here, I can save it. Tags can also be applied for mass updates. Once you've drilled into mass updates, filter on the items you want to apply the tag to, click Choose Actions. On the Action menu, choose Field Updates, and then from here the type will be tag. Like before, add or remove tags. Once your tags are assigned, they can be used for filtering. A common use for tags is filtering, such as mass update filtering or report filtering. Here in report filtering, on our filter we're going to choose Custom, Manage, and then we're going to choose our Tag tab. From here, all the tags are available, and I can filter on more than one and apply. That's today's FTx Fact.